Are you looking for an ultimate tool to open, analyze, print, and search content of MSG files? Here we will provide the best solution for you. SysTools MSG Viewer Pro software. Now let's check out the main features of this tool. Analyze, print, and save multiple MSG files into PDF format. Search content of Outlook MSG files and save into PDF files. Different PDF settings. Bates number, page layout, save attachments. Supports MSG file from Outlook 2019, 2016, 2013, 2010, and below versions. Now let's install and run the software to view its functionality. You can see a small dialog box appear with prerequisite status shown. Here you can see the software comes with a simple and user-friendly interface. Navigate and select MSG files folder from the desired location of your system. Double-click the MSG folder of your choice to load its data in the right side menu pane. You can also check the Switch View option to view your file's horizontal or vertical view. You can pick any of them as per your requirement. Now select any MSG file to preview its details. And below you can see multiple mail view options. By default, normal mail view tab is selected. You can view the mail details such as path from to CC, etc. Second is Hex tab. In this section you can view emails in hex format. Third tab is Properties tab. You can view properties of an email like attachments, details, name, etc. Fourth is Message header tab to view header details like to, from, delivery date, etc. Fifth is MIME tab to preview MIME version and other details. Sixth is HTML tab to preview the HTML detail. Next is RTF tab to view the text information of an email. Last is Attachment tab to view the attachment of an emails. On the right side you can view the files attached with an email. Now let's check out the search feature. Click the search button from the top menu. Here you can search for exact words from your mail. Now choose the files you want to export by selecting the checkbox option. Then right-click and select the export button. Now export option window appears. Here you can see two exporting options, PDF and print. After entering all the required options, below you can start exporting the files by selecting the export button. Now let's check out the main export option. Now select your all MSG files. You can select the export button on the top navigation menu. Now you can see two exporting options. You can pick any of them as per your requirement. Here you can see PDF option is selected by default. Let's continue with PDF. Clicking Advanced Settings will open another window with advanced PDF settings. You can choose desired naming convention from the drop-down menu. You can select or deselect categories depending on your requirement. And add date filter option to choose mails according to a certain date range. If required, you can choose the Include Internet Message header option as well. The Page Layout option further lets you adjust the margins and lets you set paper orientation and page size and header and footer as well. The Attachment tab gives you options to save attachments. Attachment on pin to add attachments in PDF as pin. Append attachment to convert attachments as PDF page and append at the end of email. Save attachment to save attachments in a folder in its original format. The last is Bates number option lets you choose Bates number format and date stamp option and the date format options as well. After making the desired selections, then hit the Save button below to proceed further. Now click the Browse button to choose a destination folder to save the output file. Select Maintain Folder Hierarchy option lets users maintain the folder hierarchy. Now hit the Export button to initiate the exporting process. After the process completes successfully, then click OK. Now Export Report window appears with further details. Click the Save button to save the export report in CSV file format. Now let's check out the output files. Open the destination folder in which you have saved the files, and here you can see the output PDF files. And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.